Hello!
Hey!
How's it going?
Good, and you?
I'm good, thank you.
Are you ready to make gingerbread houses?
Yes, I'm so excited.
I'm also really excited. You're ready to do this?
Yeah, are you already recording?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Okay. 3, 2, 1, action.
Okay, so you're gonna have to guide me through this because I honestly don't know.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and remember how I did it the last time.
So we're making gingerbread homes.
What did the viewers do?
That's actually so
accurate. It's the little villages. So I think we have 3 or 4 in a pack, like little ones.
Okay.
Our own little gingerbread neighborhood. Oh yeah, I was about to just rip it off.
I wanted to do that, but I was like, let's not be in beast mode. And I love ginger biscuits.
Oh yes, okay, they do have instructions, thank goodness, because I was just gonna wing it. This says to add 1.5 teaspoons, which I feel like, wash my hands, eh?
Dude.
Is it good? Is it gonna make my teeth hurt?
No, it's perfect.
It's so chewy!
Well,
let's make this first, my one, just in case we mess it up, and then at least we have like a backup bag. Or what? Sounds good.
so we're gonna keep this one so long.
I can't focus and chew on the sweet at the same time. Then, if required, very gradually stir in more water, a few drops at a time, until the icing is at the desired consistency. Yeah, that's a bit.
So, do we need more water?
I think like a little bit. Yeah.
Cool.
You also don't want it like super runny and then it doesn't stick.
It smells so good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, good, and it smells fresh.
My mouth's watering, like.
Yeah, like I'm always like, so I'm eating something. I'm watering.
Okay, I think we must do your icing as well, because this isn't gonna be enough.
Okay, let's do it.
For like all of them. So it said 1.5 first, and then I gradually add. I'm gonna start putting mine in the baggie. And you, how's festive treating you?
It's not as relaxing as I thought it was gonna be. Like I was actually looking forward to this time of year because I was like, it's gonna be more like relaxed and chill, but it's actually not.
No.
So I'm just gonna push through.
But I feel like everyone feels that way this year. You know?
I don't know what. Like I feel like 2023 was a very good year, but also just a weird one.
A lot to learn.
Yeah.
Like,
I just want one year where I can confidently say like, wow, this was an amazing year.
Yeah.
And I feel like it does come down to
do you know what? Yeah. Do you know what this year feels like? Like a transitionary year.
Yeah.
Like transitioning to something better, like in the next year, hopefully.
Oh, you putting yours in your bag?
Yeah, because you use it for the piping.
Oh shit.
Were you just gonna like scoop it out of the bowl?
Okay, so the whole point of this video is we want to do a competition, and then Demi's boyfriend is going to judge. No, he's gonna judge.
Yeah, he's gonna judge.
But he's not gonna know whose is whose. Because obviously he's gonna be biased.
But I feel like he's gonna know as soon as he looks at mine. So I'm gonna try and not make it look demified, because he will know straight away which one's mine.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'm gonna make it as colorful as I possibly can.
So I'm very excited. Should we do like a timing situation?
Yeah, do you want to do like we have like
15 minutes. Do you think that's too long?
I actually have no idea how long it would take. Yeah, I feel like 10 minutes. Like 10 minutes is good.
Oh my god.
I don't know how to judge like how quickly it's gonna. I feel like 10 minutes. I guess I'll just do anything. It's also so small, like I don't know if my hands are steady enough to do such a small design.
I think you'll be fine.
Thank you. I need that. I need the words of encouragement right now. in your episode this week, your female friends part 2, you were talking about how like you're not really a competitive person, and then I was like, I'm such a competitive person. Like I'm the complete opposite. Like I'm taking this so seriously right now.
What I mean? Like I'm just like chilling.
I know, but I don't know if it's like the perfectionist in me.
The thing is, it's not good. Like I feel like it's good in certain instances, but
yeah,
I feel like it also helps. It holds me back in a lot of ways.
Okay, but I think like when I was like listening to your episode, I feel like you don't compete in life with other people. Like you just do what you want to do. You don't like compare your life to other people. Like I'm sure everyone does, but like when you were saying it, like I understood it as if you're not like competing or like keeping up with the Joneses, like that kind of thing. But for me, like any little game or task, I'm so competitive. Like in sports and stuff, I don't know what it is. Okay, done.
Hands up.
Icing down. Okay. Okay, have you thought of a name for yours? I haven't thought of a name for mine.
Okay, I will. Let me just
Are we giving it like as if it's going on the market for like a real estate agency? Because that's what I'm kind of thinking in my head.
like something fun. Like what would you call that?
I don't know, like Winter Wonderland Dream House or something. Because it's giving like winter vibes with the snowflakes. But
I like that.
I don't know now.
I actually like the snowflakes a lot.
Winter Wonderland Manor.
I like it.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll just lift it up so like.
I don't think I can.
Everyone can see.
This is my Winter Wonderland Manor. Should I give it to her?
This is called the Christmas party house. So like Demi, I was thinking like this is more like food, but she actually gave me a good idea. It kind of looks like Christmas lights, so that's the vibe I'm going for.
Yeah.
And then yeah, it's just like a straight entrance. You go, you have a good time, and yeah, you enjoy the Christmas spirit.
Minutes later.
So that's the first one.
How do you feel? What emotions are you feeling right now when you look at the...
I can't say. Okay, I know which one's my favorite.
Okay.
Okay.
That's the one that wins.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm thinking the one with the little walkway.
Okay.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Christmas
It's Kelly's. Did you think that we like took the whole hour to do that?
I was hoping not.
Yeah.
I feel like this one's more of an experience.
Yeah. It reminds me of like the houses that do full on Christmas lights.
Yeah.
And everything is covered in lights, so it's more festive.
Kelly is the best.
Kelly is... Oh, Jelly. Kelly
Full
is
stop.
the best.
As Kelly full stop is full stop the full stop best all caps 3 exclamation points.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so happy holidays. Thank you so much for joining us and hanging out with us. This was so much fun. And yeah,
I'm just laughing it out.
bye. Thank you so much.